The ACMI online shop stocks a great range of screen culture books, homewares, apparel, curiosities, cards, and gifts, as well as an array of ACMI publications and ACMI merchandise for our dedicated devotees. We specialize in exclusive, independent, local pieces you won't find anywhere else. Our exclusive merchandise is manufactured as locally as possible, with many of our suppliers located right here in Melbourne. We utilize local or Victorian-based suppliers as our first choice, and then elsewhere in Australia over international options. Our products are ethically sourced and produced with environmental principles. We don't support sweatshops or poor working conditions and firmly stand for people getting paid fairly for their work. The ACMI shop is committed to reducing our environmental footprint. We love collaborating with independent artists, community groups, and independent companies to produce exciting and meaningful pieces for you to enjoy. We are actively working towards reducing our reliance on plastics across our merchandise ranges and our general operations. We are switching suppliers and products to achieve this and utilizing more sustainable materials where possible. You won't find plastics or disposable carriers in our ACMI branded packaging. We've switched to durable cardboard postal boxes, tissue paper, paper tape, or bio tape, and reusable totes. All are designed to be reused wherever possible, so hang on to those boxes and tissue paper for the next time you need to wrap a gift. When popping in to visit the store, don't forget your reusable bags. Contact us, visit us. ACMI Federation Square, corner Swanston and Flinders Street, Melbourne, Vic, 3000. Postal address, the ACMI shop, PO Box 14, Flinders Lane, Vic, 8009. Email shop@acmi.net.au. Phone 613-866-3227. Opening hours, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.